Over 50? These 5 habits might be secretly causing your back pain. Over 50, and wondering why your back hurts almost every single day? You stretch, you rest, you even pop a few pain pills. But somehow, that stiffness just doesn't go away. What if I told you your everyday habits, the things you do without even thinking, might be the real reason your back keeps aching? Yes, not old age, not just getting older, but 5 sneaky habits that quietly destroy your back health. Stay with me till the end, because once you spot these habits, you can finally start reversing years of pain and stiffness. Habit number 1. Sitting too long without support. Let's start with the first and the most common habit, sitting too long. You might think, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just sitting in my favorite chair. But here's the problem. When you sit for hours without proper back support, your lower spine starts to compress. Over time, this weakens your spinal muscles, tightens your hips, and leads to chronic pain that flares up even when you stand or walk. The solution? Don't sit for more than 30-40 minutes at a time. Set a reminder. Stand up, stretch, or walk around your house. And when you do sit, make sure your chair supports your lower back. Or use a small pillow behind your lumbar curve. Tiny change, massive relief. Habit number 2, poor posture. The second bad habit, poor posture. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but here's why it matters even more after 50. As we age, our muscles lose elasticity and strength. When you slouch, even a little, your spine takes on extra pressure it was never designed to handle. It's like bending a stick slightly every day. Eventually, it weakens and snaps. Try this simple check right now. Sit or stand tall. Roll your shoulders back, and imagine a string gently pulling your head upward. That's your spine's natural position, the one that prevents strain, tension, and nerve compression. You don't need perfect posture 24/7, just awareness. Each time you catch yourself slouching, correct it. That's how you retrain your body. Habit number 3, skipping stretching or movement. Habit number 3, not moving enough. We think rest will heal back pain, but too much rest actually makes it worse. Your back needs gentle motion to stay healthy. It is how your discs stay lubricated and your muscles stay strong. If you wake up stiff or sore, it's your body saying, move me. Start small. Even 5 minutes of gentle stretching each morning can make a world of difference. Try this. Stand up straight, raise your arms overhead, take a deep breath, and gently reach side to side. Then roll your shoulders, twist your waist lightly, and stretch your hamstrings. It's not about intense workouts. It's about keeping your spine alive. Bonus tip, walk at least 15-20 minutes a day. Walking is one of the safest, most effective ways to ease back pain and improve posture. Habit number 4, ignoring core strength. Here's a hidden one, weak core muscles. Most people think core means abs. But your core includes your lower back, pelvis, and deep muscles that stabilize your spine. When those muscles are weak, your spine bears all the load, and over time, that leads to pain. But you don't need fancy workouts. Simple exercises like pelvic tilts, gentle bridges. Standing leg lifts can rebuild your core strength without strain. Just 10 minutes a day can change everything. Remember, strong core, strong back. Your spine isn't supposed to carry your whole body alone. It is a team effort. Habit number 5, ignoring hydration and diet. And finally, the habit most people never consider, poor hydration and nutrition. Your spinal discs, those cushions between your vertebrae, are made mostly of water. When you're dehydrated, they lose flexibility and shrink slightly, causing pressure and discomfort. On top of that, a diet high in processed foods and sugar increases inflammation, making your back pain worse. So here's what to do. Drink enough water through the day, especially morning and afternoon. Eat anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, fish rich in omega-3s, nuts and seeds. Your spine will thank you, literally. Now here's something powerful most people forget. Your back pain isn't just a physical problem, it's a habit problem. And habits can be changed at any age. You might be 50, 60, even 70, it doesn't matter. Your body still responds to care, movement, and consistency. Every time you choose to stretch, fix your posture, or take that walk, you're telling your spine, I'm helping you heal. That mindset alone can speed up recovery. So let's recap. The 5 bad habits secretly causing your back pain are: sitting too long without support, poor posture, not moving enough, weak core muscles, poor hydration and diet. These might sound small, but together they quietly shape how your spine feels every single day. The good news? You can fix all of them, starting today. Your back doesn't have to hurt forever. It just needs your attention, not more pills, not more rest, just better habits. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with someone over 50 who needs to hear this, and remember, pain is not a sign of aging. It's a sign your body wants change. Start changing these 5 habits, and your back will thank you every morning.